What do you think of that truck, Levi? Can I, what? It's white? Yeah?
You can see in there. You can go walk over to it, see it.
Okay. Whoa. He's going backwards. So this is our last night in our current house. Tomorrow we'll either have a new house or we'll be homeless for a night. Since we're selling and the buying is contingent on the sale going through, our buy can't close until the sale closes. So it just is going to depend on everything going back and forth to all the different people that it needs to go to, lenders and title companies and I don't know what. So we are getting packed out tonight. Our moving truck is getting full of all the stuff that's still here at the house, and of course we still have the storage unit stuff, but that can come another day since it'll just stay safe in the storage unit until we get to it. So tonight we're packing up everything except for what we're gonna sleep on, and then in the morning we're gonna get everything out, do some cleaning real quick, and then head out. I'm gonna hang out probably at my in-laws' house and just kind of wait until everything happens and then possibly go to our new house or spend the night at the in-laws. Cleaning this kitchen for the last time. Doing the last checks. Make sure there's nothing we're forgetting. Yes, Autumn? What?
What's in the dryer?
Just clothes. Get a garbage bag so we can put them in there. Autumn, you still have stuff in the bathroom.
I want to get a jar and trap some.
Trap some what?
Trap some fireflies to make a night light.
Oh, that would be fun. Oh, I see. So, are you excited to leave, or are you sad? More excited or more sad?
More excited.
Oh, okay.
Because it's an awesome house.
Yeah, we are.
And we're going to get a bunch of trees, and if there's branches fall, we can make a little animal house or a fort.
That would be so cool.
And I made a tiny little fort for the people who live here.
Oh, you did? You're so kind. So what are you thinking about on this moving day? Are you sad, happy, excited, angry? What are you?
Excited and sad.
Excited and sad, yeah. You've lived in this house your whole life, huh?
Yes, only if I had a pencil to draw it in my book.
Yeah, we'll get, maybe when we go to Grammy's house you can draw pictures of all your memories of the house. Yeah. That would be exciting. Autumn, what do you think about moving? Are you sad?
Yeah.
Yeah, a little bit?
A little bit.
Yeah. But excited?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
I mean, this has been my house for as long as I can remember, so it's kind of...
Yeah, you were 3 years old when we moved in, and now we're moving out when Levi's almost 3 years old. That's pretty crazy.
Here for 12 years.
Almost 13.
Yeah, almost 13 years. What are you thinking about, Tal?
The new house?
You thinking about the new house?
Yes.
Seemed like you were thinking about the old house a little bit.
Yeah.
Because it's kind of sad, huh?
Yeah.
You were born when we lived in this house. I brought you home in this house.
Yeah.
That was a long time ago. So it's a little sad, but it's also exciting, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, hey, Levi. Come here. So what are you thinking about?
Trucks?
Oh, what is that? Did you hear that honking?
Yeah.
What was it?
Truck? Is that
So, Levi, are you excited to move?
Yeah.
What do you want to do on the new...
Is
Is there a big truck coming?
Yeah.
What do you want to do on the farm?
Cows
Cows?
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe we'll milk the cows like a little farmer baby.
A farmer baby?
Yeah.
I would love that.
No, a farmer. Dad could help him milk the cows.
Bye, home. Nope. Did you see the garbage truck? Can you say, bye, house?
My house.
See you on the flip side.
My feet right.
Oh, Poey. Did you get so fat at Grandma and Grandpa's house? Oh, you need to get some more exercise. You didn't chase any squirrels or anything. What a good Poe. What a good Poe. We missed you so much. Hey, Charity, you ready to go home?
Yeah.
Are you ready to go home?
Yes, to our new home, and I'm really happy that someday we're gonna get a bunch of cats.
Cats, yeah, barn cats.
Yeah, I think they'll be Freddy's friends, or should I say enemies?
Oh, maybe.
Yeah, they
I
might
hope
be
friends.
enemies.
I hope friends.
Hey, Levi, what do you think? Because they would cuddle together.
Oh, and they'll be good friends.
They'll be good friends.
You want to go to the farm? Okay, let's go.
We're gonna live there.
Where are we, Levi?
Farm.
The farm. It's scary water?
Yeah.
Oh, why is it scary?
It's go down.
It's going down? Yeah, it's called a creek. Can you say creek? Yeah. You see the creek?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a lot of water.
It's a lot, yeah. This is Poey's first time at the farm. I think he likes it. I think he likes it. And look at this beautiful day. We got our first day in our new house. What do you think?
Amazing.
You gonna go jump in the pond?
No.
Oh.
It's too cold.
Filling the place up already. Making progress. We still have the whole storage unit to unload. But we already had one fiasco where Levi stepped in dog poop and tracked it all over the house and then went and jumped on Nana's bed. So the whole house smells like dog poop, but there you go. That's our life now, isn't it, Poe? Isn't that our life now? Look at that fat Poe. Oh, Poey. Look at these beautiful flowers. I was thinking we should get a nice bouquet to put on our table, okay?
When we
So
eat.
you pick which one you want to pick like this, and I'll clip it, okay? Grab one. So when I clip it, it doesn't fall.
That, that one.
Then you need to hold on to it, and I'll clip it.
Wait, this.
Got it. Okay.
Can I keep one?
Now put it in the jar. Nope, put it in the jar.
We're making a bouquet. Cool.
I know, it's so beautiful, isn't it? I love it.
And my baby.
You want to see the meat? Okay, come here. Ugh. Ugh. Which one looks yummier? That one, the chicken?
Yeah.
Okay.
Are we able to still watch TV?
Nope, don't have a TV.
Do we have...
Who watches TV in a place like this?
Well, can we plug in the piano? Will it work?
Yeah, you can plug in the piano.
Yay.
My brother brought us a big meal of chicken and steak and other goodies. So nice not to have to cook tonight. Isn't that nice?
Yeah.
Yeah. Night has fallen. It's about, what, 8:20? Everything's a disaster, of course, but no going outside now. It's too dark. The kids are going to sleep here in the living room for tonight because we don't have beds and things yet to get set up. So we're all still camping in the new house, but we're still camping. Hey, Levi, leave this door open, please. That's the stairs up there, yeah, but we're not going up there now. Are you ready to sleep in your new bed? Are you so excited? Who's sleeping in that bed? Who's going to sleep with the tiger? Charity. Who's going to sleep with the unicorns? Nay. And who's going to sleep with the trucks? Levi? Are you going to have a really good rest? We had our first night last night. It went well. I slept great. I was super tired because I didn't hardly sleep at all the night before. And how did you kids all sleep?
Hard to get comfortable.
Oh, there you are.
Hard to get comfortable.
Hard to get comfortable. Yeah, you're sleeping on the floor, so that's understandable. But then after you finally fell asleep, were you fine?
Yes.
Yeah, you fell asleep pretty fast. Renee, how did you sleep?
I slept uncomfortable.
Uncomfortable? You looked pretty comfortable this morning when I came out and you were still asleep. Did you wake up in the middle of the night?
Yes. Well, it's not in the... I don't know if it was in the middle of the night because I don't know time.
Oh, well, I think you slept pretty great. What about you, Levi? How did you sleep?
In the middle of the night again, but...
How did you sleep?
My bed.
You slept in your bed?
Yeah.
That's great. Hey, what's your favorite topping on German pancakes?
Probably honey
Honey, yeah.
or sprinkles and frosting.
Sprinkles and frosting and whipped cream?
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Sprinkles